Hello and welcome to Spelling for today. We are going to be thinking about homophones or homophones today. I'm just wondering if anybody managed to have a look at that example yesterday of pair and pair. It'd be amazing if you had already had a little bit of a sneaky peek at what they are. But for those of you that are not sure, let's have a little look.
Homophones are two or more words that sound the same but have different meanings, like the word ball and ball. Homophones can be tricky, but once you understand the different meanings and learn the different spellings, you'll get on just fine. Let's start with a set of homophones you probably all recognise. There, and there. Though they sound the same, each is spelt differently and has its own meaning. Have a think about how you could write the sentence, "They're over there with their dad." To spell the sentence correctly, you need to know that there, spelt T-H-E-R-E, has a meaning which indicates place, like the word here does. In this case, the place is on the other side or over there. There, spelt T-H-E-I-R, means something that belongs to them, similar to other belonging words like my, your, and our. In this case, dad belongs to them. Their dad. There, spelt T-H-E-Y'-R-E, is a contracted form of they are, where the apostrophe has replaced the A of R. Here's a useful tip. Try a test read using the full version of there without the apostrophe to check it works in the sentence. They are over there with their dad. Makes sense. So we can be confident we've got the meaning and spelling right. But if we had tested they are here, they're over there with they are dad, doesn't work at all, does it? When using the there, spelt T-H-E-R-E, and meaning a place, try swapping it with another place meaning word, like here, to see if it makes sense. They're over here with their dad. Works okay, doesn't it? This tells us that the use of the place meaning there is correct. You can also try swapping the belonging there with another belonging word, like our, to test if you're on the right track. They're over there with our dad. Makes sense, doesn't it? So we can be confident that the belonging there is the right choice. So now that we've checked out all our meanings and spellings, we just have to pop a capital letter at the start of the sentence and end it with a full stop. Now that we've got that sorted, I'm off to say hello. Where are they? Oh, there they are. Cooey!
Okay, so there are some examples of homophones. We're going to have a look at some slightly different ones today. Let's have a little look at our first pair of homophones. Oh, here. They sound the same, but do they look the same? I've got hair here, yep, and hair here. So they both sound the same. Listen, hair. But imagine I was writing the sentence, I saw a hare in the field, and I was talking about this kind of hair. But you might think I was thinking about this type of hair. Also, I might write a sentence like, oh, have you changed the hair on your head? And I'm talking about this kind of hair, but you think I'm talking about this kind of hair. So it's really important that we know the differences. And one way that we can do this is by spelling them differently. And sometimes we just have to learn these. We just have to look at them and know that hair with the air trigraph is this type of hair. And that the ARE in hair is this type of hair. and we just have to know them. So have a good look and almost try and take a picture with your eyes of this hair and know that it belongs to this hair, and this hair belongs to this hair. It seems really tricky when you start, but you will soon get the hang of it. Here's the example I was talking about yesterday. So I've got pair here, and I've got a pair of socks over here. And this one is spelt with the ear trigraph, but we know that it makes the air sound, pair. And this one over here, look, is when you have two of something, and that's with the air trigraph. So if I've got a pair of socks, then it's going to be this pair. If it's a pear I eat, it's going to be spelt this way. Take a good picture with your eyes. You could even cover up the pictures and try and remember what the picture is of by looking at the word and remembering the spelling. Okay, so today we've got some homophones for you to find in here. And what I would like you to do is try and find them. So it might be pair and pair, hair and hair, fair and fair. Let's have a little look, please, and see what you can find in here. Once you've done that, what I'd like you to do is to make me a poster. So it might be a poster of a hair and hair on your head. And I want you to put the correct spellings underneath. And then I want you to put that up somewhere in your bedroom where you can see it. And then you will learn those two really, really quickly. And then once you feel really, really confident that you know the difference between hair and hair, you might want to draw pair and a pair. Or knight, as in a knight that's on a horse, and the night at night when it's dark and there's a moon and stars. There are lots and lots of different homophones. See which ones you can find in here and then make me a poster. Okay, enjoy.